Hi Scorpio, this is your general reading from now until June 2021. I'm doing a 6-month reading. These are general and collective, so please take what resonates, leave what doesn't. Also, if this message does not, or this reading does not resonate with you, please don't force it to resonate. It's probably not your message at this time, okay? So we'll do one main theme which will be present for you over the next 6 months. Either that or it'll keep coming in and out for you over the next 6 months. You'll see flavors of this over the next 6 months. All right, then I'll do one from the Yogic Path deck to see what you actively need to work on over the next 6 months. Then we'll do oracle messages where I'll check we'll look at your energy over the next 6 months, what blessings will come your way and what you might struggle with. Okay, and then we'll do clarifiers with the tarot as well, and then I will get one blessing from the gods and goddesses deck at the end. Okay, so let's look at one main theme for Scorpio from now until June 2021. Two words I got for you as I was meditating on your pile, Scorpio: return and line, Line. So I feel like maybe it's about crossing a line or creating a line. I don't know, take it as it applies. Okay. The body. This is going to be your theme for the next 6 months. So I feel like you're going to be discovering aspects of your body. You're going to probably also look at health, in terms of health, also in terms of having a healthier body, in terms of also just being more aware of what your body is trying to tell you. Okay. Another thing is also probably over the next 6 months what will happen is that you will feel a sense of more connection. You will return with the connection with your own body. Okay, so you will learn how to listen also to your own body, what is making it happy, what is not making it happy, what is giving it joy, what is giving it pain. I feel like your connection with your body is also going to get stronger, and in that aspect I think you will also draw lines. Okay, you will also listen to your body when it's telling you not to cross a line in terms of what is not working for it. Okay, so I think that essentially things to do with physical aspect of your life, whether now it's your body or even the physical things in your life, those are going to be the focus for you over the next 6 months. Nice light opening card, Scorpio. Let's look at one thing you will want to work on actively over the next 6 months. Mooladhara, root chakra. Work on strengthening your root chakra, Scorpio. You are anyway a very, very instinctive sign, right? You work on instincts a lot. And more often than not, your instincts are right. Your Mooladhara is all about your instincts. Okay, make it stronger. Your survival instincts. Your instincts towards your own security, towards your own, towards eliminating any outside threat. Instincts for that. Your instincts for how to achieve the ambitions that you have, your instincts towards that. A Scorpio is a very, very instinctive sign, right? So I feel like the more you strengthen your root chakra, Scorpio, the better your ability to move effortlessly, okay, through the next 6 months will be. Okay, and your root chakra is also responsible with survival, safety and shelter, right? That's it's responsible for that, which is very a physical, tangible kind of a thing, right? So with the body also, I feel like that being your theme over the next 6 months, that's something you want to also focus on, is really drawing the line and recreating the connection that you have with your root chakra, with something that root chakra is your base. Okay, if that's not strong, everything above it starts to crumble down. Okay, so strengthen that. Great opening cards, Scorpio. Let's look at what your energy will be over the next 6 months. Exchanging gifts. So beautiful, just like Virgo. Exchanging gifts. Okay, so you are going to be in a place of experiencing give and take. Not just physical give and take, but also energetic give and take. Okay, that's going to be your energy also. So you are going to know where you want to spend your energy. That is, in the places that you are valued, in the places that your energy is valued, that your commitment is valued, that your being is valued. You're going to know that those are the places that you want to give your energy to. Okay. On the other hand, you're also going to know that places or people who don't value you, your energy, your contribution, the gifts that you have, you're not going to be indulging in those energetic spaces or with those people. All right, beautiful opening card, beautiful energy to be in, Scorpio. Okay, you will also experience a great joy in give and take. Okay, so there'll be a balance of that. Nice. So even with that, you will draw lines. Okay, you will I feel like you will create boundaries or draw lines where you will not cross and you will not allow others to cross that as well, especially in terms of this maintaining this balance as well. Okay, nice. Let's look at one blessing that you will have over the next 6 months. Regeneration. Scorpio, this card does not fail to come up for you. In tarot, this would be the death card. Rising up again. Beautiful. I feel also that you will be regenerating your body, Scorpio. Just overhauling a lot of things about your own body, about your own physical state of being. Okay, and just sort of transforming that. Okay, so your blessing is that no matter what you're doing, no matter where you're going, know that if things seem to be like they're crumbling down, and if they threaten your sense of security or if they threaten your sense of stability, work with your root chakra, because you're actually being regenerated, you're actually being transformed. This is your energy, Scorpio. You do this better than any other zodiac. Beautiful blessing to have. Let me just anyway quickly give you the exact definition of it. Rebirth, second chances, new opportunities. What did I say? Transformation. Beautiful. Let's look at one thing that you will struggle with over the next 6 months. Fork in the road. So I feel like I will read it because I don't want to give you something which is not in this, but I feel like you might struggle with which direction to choose. Okay, that might be something that you might struggle with, or what part of your instinct to even listen to. Okay, even in terms of listening to your body, you might struggle a little bit in terms of not knowing exactly which might be the right decision for you to make. Okay, so time to make a decision, considering the consequences as you prepare to act, owning up to your obligation to make a necessary choice. Okay, so this might be something that you struggle with. Nothing heavy, Scorpio. It's bound to happen when you're in the process of regeneration or transformation. Some amount of confusion in terms of which direction is best suited for you, or which path is best suited for you, or which action will bring out the best for you, which choice or which decision will be in your highest good. It's fine to have a little bit of a wavering mind or a wavering state of being about that. Don't worry. If you work with your root chakra, like I said earlier also, this is your base. If this is strong, this will become easy. Making this decision will become easy. Okay, and at all of that, keep your focus on what makes you feel, your physical body feel at its best. This is your vessel, your body is your vessel for your soul. As much as you can nurture it, the better it is for your journey. All right, lovely, nice messages. All right, let me do clarifiers and then we'll do one outcome. Maturity, beautiful. In traditional tarot, this is Ace of Pentacles. Again, everything to do with money, everything to do with foundations, everything to do with material, tangibles, physical things that you can see in your life. So your energy is also going to be that you're going to have a fair amount of give and take in terms of tangible items, maybe in terms of money. Okay. But through this, you're going to have a very balanced approach also to it, in terms of, like I said earlier, you're going to know where to give how much. Even if it's material things that you're giving or it's energy that you're giving, you're going to know where to give how much, because you're going to have more balance, you're going to be more stable about it as well. Okay, you're going to also feel very, very solid and secure, your energy, and quite rooted as well in that process. Okay, so good, beautiful energy to have, Scorpio. Work with your root chakra. Okay, let's look at one clarify for regeneration. For some of you Scorpions, your energy could also be involving a new home, buying a new home, selling a house maybe, okay, and buying something better. For some of you this could also happen. This might be your energy. Oh. Okay, too many flipped open. I will shuffle again. Guilt. Traditional tarot, this is Eight of Swords. Your regeneration, it's a beautiful regeneration to have, Scorpio. Any place that you have felt helpless, any place that you have felt like you're going crazy, or you have no control over your thoughts, or you feel like you are completely in a mental mess that is being transformed for you, that you're helpless, that you don't have any clear direction to move into, and that's also why you probably will struggle with a fork in the road, okay, because of your mental process. So keep your base balanced, do that. All right, so but that this blessing for you is that this is being regenerated, this is being transformed. All right, so probably as we close out towards the end of 6 months, you're no longer going to have this feeling helplessness, feeling like you don't know what to do, or feeling like you don't know which direction to move in, or what action to take, or what choice to make, or what decision to make. That is going to get transformed and probably will be replaced with more peace, maybe more calmness as well. Okay, so good blessings to have, Scorpio. All right, let me look at clarify for fork in the road, your struggle. Participation, Four of Wands in traditional tarot fell reversed. I will leave it reversed. So even your struggle will not be very heavy in sense of Four of Wands is typically the stability card. It's the card for structure. It's the card for in some cases, depending on how it falls, also for celebration like a marriage or childbirth or whatever. But In your case, because it's come under struggles and it's fallen reversed, which means that even if you do struggle with not knowing which direction to choose, or not knowing what choice to make, or what action is the best action now, whether that's for you or that's for somebody else, okay, that even that struggle is not going to be very heavy. So it'll dissolve itself, because your biggest blessing is that there is transformation happening for you at a mental level, okay, with your thoughts, with your mental clarity as well. All right, so that is great. You just keep focusing on strengthening your root chakra, strengthening your connection to yourself, to your body, through your body. Let me look at one potential outcome for you guys. Building blocks. Beautiful. More stability, more groundedness, more structure in terms of what to do next. That's your outcome over the next 6 months, Scorpio. I'm so glad this reading is live, because typically I know that Scorpios, Cancer, and sometimes even Pisces, Aquarius, these guys get heavy readings most of the times. So I'm so happy that this is not happening for you guys this time. I'll just read it. Strong foundation, a beautiful work in progress. You have everything you need to cultivate an extraordinary life. Scorpio, beautiful outcome, yaar. This is really nice. You're going to be building, like I said earlier also, maybe for some of you this might involve moving a house, okay? Either buying a new house, or moving to a new house, or selling a house and rebuilding, okay? You've got regeneration as well. So at the end of 6 months, your outcome is that you're going to be more stable, more secure, more structured, with a solid foundation, okay? That's going to happen for you. Lovely. Let me look at clarifier for this. Outsider, 5 of Pentacles. Sorry, Scorpio. So through this process, you might experience some financial loss, like a minor financial loss, either that, or you might feel like people are not supporting you, okay? I'll do one more clarifier. Moment to moment. In traditional tarot, 2 of Pentacles. You got a lot of Pentacles. So there's going to be a lot of grounding for you over the next 6 months, Scorpio. Like I said, maybe returning back to your roots, returning back to yourself, returning back to your essence as well, okay, over the next 6 months. So even if you feel any sense of monetary loss, or any sense of, you might juggle with money a little bit, Scorpio, or work-related options, okay, over the next 6, like as an outcome, and that might make you feel like there is a sense of some amount of loss, or some amount of maybe either monetary loss or tangible loss, either that, not very major, a small amount, or that people are not supporting you as much. That could be something that you feel, but don't worry, because you're, like, the final outcome is great, okay, the building blocks is great, okay. So in this is still going to be happening. You're still going to be building a strong foundation. You're still going to be building a secure, stable, structured, even tangible things in your life, okay. In that process, this might happen a little bit. Either you'll juggle, and in that process of juggling, you might feel like you're losing out something, but it'll be very minuscule as compared to all the other great things that are happening to you. Okay, Scorpio? Good light reading. Just strengthen your connection with yourself, work on your root chakra, and everything else will be fine. Okay, let me see one blessing from the Hindu Gods and Goddesses deck. Two flew out. I will read both. Beautiful blessings. One is Parshuram and Sri Radha. So Parshuram's blessings are teaching ability, ultimate justice for all, skill in the martial arts, converting warrior spirit and qualities into peaceful ones. Okay, so as you are building things, know that if there are any obstacles that you may encounter, even if it's your own thought process, you'll be able to overcome those. And Sri Radha's blessings are faith in the power of love, ability to win the heart of one's beloved, increased devotion and attainment of divine love, and liberation from the pains of thwarted love. Okay, so for whoever this resonates for, you're also being blessed through this entire process. Over the next 6 months, you're also being blessed with benevolent love coming from the universe towards you. All right, so you really have nothing to worry about, Scorpio. Great reading. Just keep reconnecting to yourself, work with your root chakra, strengthen your root chakra, strengthen your foundation, and everything else will take care of itself. All right, so I hope that this helped you guys, Scorpio, and you have a great rest of January. I will see you again next month.